problem. JEE Mains 2019 1. X into log of log x base c minus x square plus y square is equals to 4 is given. We need to find dy by dx at x is equals to e. Okay. So first of all, at x is equals to e, think about the value of y. At x is equals to e. Is it right? So replace x with e everywhere in the given problem. So x is e into logarithm of e base e. Just look here, log e base e is 1, right? So e into log 1 base e minus x square. Since x is e square plus y square is equals to 4. Log 1 is 0, so simply this is 0, neglect it, and you have y square is equals to 4 plus e square. Okay, just keep it. At x is equals to e, y square is equals to 4 plus e square. Now our task is to find dy by dx at x is equals to e. So we need to differentiate it, and then we need to replace x with e and y square with 4 plus e square. Okay. Now look at this problem. Differentiate it with respect to x. So here x into log of log x base e, product of two functions. First function x into the second one, for the log the derivative is 1 by log x base e into, for this log the derivative is 1 by x. Is it clear? Here we have product of two functions. First function x into the derivative of second one log of log. For this log 1 by log x base e and for the other log 1 by x, plus this second function logarithm of log x to the base e into the derivative of x is 1 minus for x square the derivative is 2x, and for y square what is the derivative? The derivative is plus 2y into dy by dx is equals to, for 4 it is 0. So this is the task. Finally this is the expression if you differentiate the given problem with respect to x. Now from here we need to find dy by dx by taking x is equals to e. Very simple, right? Simply cancel this x and replace x with e. So if you replace x with b, 1 by log e base e plus log e base e is 1 base e minus 2x is simply 2e plus 2y into dy by dx is equals to 0. Actually that y is nothing but root of 4 plus e square, right? Okay, now here log 1 to the base e is 0, neglect it. Log e to the base e is 1 and this part is simply 1. Okay, this is 1 minus 2e. Send everything that side, what will happen? 2y into dy by dx is equals to 2e minus 1. What is dy by dx now? Okay, this implies dy by dx is equals to 2e minus 1 by 2y, and that is equals to 2e minus 1 by 2y. What is 2y? Here y square is root of 4 plus e square. 2y means 2 root of 4 plus e square, and that's the problem finally. Okay, so first of all at x is equals to e, find y, keep it separately, and then to find dy by dx differentiate this given problem with respect to x. After that, to find dy by dx at x is equals to e, replace x with e and y square with 4 plus e square to reach that answer. Okay, copy this.